Around the shop, mid-October 2018. As you may or may not know, our shop is known for restorations on the classic Ferrari 250 GT PF or Pininfarina series. We've restored several of these incredible classic cars. This last week we actually had 4 in the shop, 3 of which we restored right here. Needless to say, these cars are beautiful, and we're very proud to host 3 of our favorite restorations back in the shop. And what's more, the dark blue one is actually for sale. Contact our sales department for more information. The 4th 250, a gorgeous coupe, we were prepping to go on the 1,000-mile Colorado Grand Rally. Here's Jack with more on this car.
So this Ferrari 250 PF coupe is going on the Colorado Grand next week. So we've been preparing it for a while, doing several mechanical things and cosmetic things to get it ready for 1,000 miles in the Colorado mountains. It'll be going up over passes, down into lower areas. The temperature will change from in the 90s, sometimes all the way to snow. On that event, I've been snowed on in the morning and roasted in the afternoon. So we just got done checking the heater, which is always a good thing, and the windshield wipers. So it's exciting, the car's going, the owner's gonna have a lot of fun, and we're gonna root for him to finish the event.
Out in front of the shop, we had our sign installed by our neighbors at Boyd Signs. We also had a jumbo version installed in the showroom. Here's a look at the installation process. Now let's have a look at some American muscle cars on the other side of the shop, where our experts have been fabricating a custom engine bay for a very cool 1966 Pontiac GTO. This car will soon be ready for some serious cruising. Speaking of muscle cars, in the showroom we just consigned a beautiful 1968 Shelby GT500 convertible. This terrific example was restored very well more than 20 years ago. It's in great condition now and turns heads everywhere. Have a look on our Cars for Sale page. We'll leave you today with a little stroll through the shop so you can see what we're working on right now. Well, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching, and remember you can subscribe by clicking here, visit our website here, watch another video here, and always remember to give our video a thumbs up down below. Thanks, and see you next time. Remember, you can always call the shop at 303-761-1245 with your project.